Oh my god. Keep on running. Keep on running. Keep on running. So it's 14 January 2017. I go to Malang with a friend here. Well, the trip is fun, but you know, there's always a song here. The way we walk, it's bad. It's really bad.
Jagalah keselamatan Anda.
Look at this. This tire, man. Oh my god.
Look this. Jalannya ekstrim, bro. Oh my god. Mantep pisan, bro. Let's go.
Even the waterfall, you know the color is
Coklat.
Lanjut aja. Iya.
Kono dah.
Iya, ada sini kan kono. Ini samping nih. Hah?
Samping.
Air coklat.
Airnya coklat. Coklat. Coklat.
Well, because the waterfall is not so good, decided to find another waterfall, and yeah, we find it. It takes maybe 20 minutes from here.
Kalau ini kayaknya nggak zong deh. Airnya bening. Yang tadi coklat semua. Kayak rai-rai koncoku. Iku nang sikilmu. Gak ono. Kan kopi Nevik. Tadi kopi luwak. Iku kopi. Mbok pangan. Yang penting mangan. Di kopi. Lagi jernih. Jekur, bro. This is what I'm looking for. Woo! Nyemplung.
I came here at 3 o'clock, and there's no people here. This place is quiet. This place is such a private pool, and it's beautiful.
Mantap, bro.
Be careful. There is a
Wih. Gigit lintah. Banyak lintah. Aku wakil lintah, Cuk. Awakku basah ono sing grayangi. Photo session.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just thumbs up and click the subscribe button. I will write it the description, the places in my description. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. See you around. Bye bye.